The text solution to this video is available on videogcse.com. Question 1, Part B, Part 2. Write the time the lesson finishes using the 24-hour clock. Attempt this question, pause now and unpause to check your answer. The question is asking you to write the time that you have drawn on your clock, the time that the lesson finishes, which you were told in part 1 was 45 minutes after the original time, and you've drawn that onto your clock. So it's asking you to write using the 24-hour clock the time that you have already drawn onto your 12-hour clock. To do this, you first look at the hour hand. Our hour hand is in between 3 and 4, so we would write that as 3 because 3 o'clock has started and it is not yet 4 o'clock. We then write a colon to separate the hours and minutes, and then we look at the minute hand. The minute hand is pointing at 6, so you can start from 12 and count 5 minutes each time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you know that 30 minutes have passed since this hour started. You then need to remember part A of this question said that this was in the afternoon. So we know that this is PM. Now I haven't written this using the 24-hour clock. I've just done the first step. Now we're going to do the final step and change this into the 24-hour clock. Because this is PM in the afternoon, we don't write 3:30 in the 24-hour clock. 3:30 in the 24-hour clock means 3:30 at night. To change this into the 24-hour clock, we must, if we have PM, we must in the afternoon, we must add 12 to the hours. So at the moment our hours are 3, so we add 12 to 3 because there are 12 hours in one half of a day. We add 12 to 3, we know that gives us 15. So instead of writing 3:30 PM with the hours as 3, we change the hours to 15. We remember to put in our colon. The minutes stay the same. 30 minutes have still passed in this hour, and we don't write PM. We don't need to, because 15 lets us know that this is in the afternoon, not at night. Let's check the mark scheme to see if the correct answer is 15:30. So question 1, part B, part 2, 15:30 or 15:30 without the colon. So you would still get 1 mark even if you forgot the colon. And it says you would still get 1 mark if you wrote down the wrong answer on this clock here. Now you wouldn't get 1 mark for that part of the question, but if whatever you drew on this clock, even if it was incorrect, but you correctly wrote down in the 24-hour clock what time you had drawn, you would still get 1 mark. So give yourself 1 mark for that if you have. Similar videos to this are available on videogcse.com.